Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Assembly to be more high-tech. MLAs to receive written answers on email. Manohar Parrikar alleges harassment by the election officers. Tussle between Shantaram Naik and Manohar Parrikar grows hotter. Shantaram Naik terms BJP a state disaster. UGDP appreciates Alex for legalizing Dhirios and criticizes Francis Sardina for not taking Dhirios seriously. And Swapnil Asnodkar feels IPL 2 could be the opportunity to break into Team India. Now the news in detail. Goa Assembly will be more high-tech in the next session. It was a system that all the questions and answers were typed on the paper, but from now onwards the questions and answers would be sent via email. Watch a special report by Prudent Media.
Speaker Pratap Singh Rane has decided that from now onwards all the voluminous assembly papers will be sent through emails. He said that this would save time, paper and cost incurred on the paper printing. The assembly bulletin reads, all voluminous papers will be emailed to the members since all members have computers provided at public cost. Voluminous paper circulation will be discouraged in future. I request all members to cooperate so that we really bring in e-governance and e-legislative activities. If computerization at enormous cost should have meaning, it must bring in, if not a paperless office, but at least a less paperless office, but at least a less paper-oriented work atmosphere. Speaker also resolved that all the MLAs would henceforth ask only limited questions. He said that he will fix a limit for each member. Speaker says, if necessary, impose by rule a ceiling on the number of questions per member as well as other reasonable limitations so that the question procedure is brought on its right track. With this resolution by Speaker Pratap Singh Rane, a lot of procedural changes are expected in the next assembly session. Our reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar on Thursday submitted a memorandum to Election Commission complaining about notices he is receiving from election officers. He mentioned that he is unnecessarily being harassed by the officers.
Collector and Deputy Collector are appointed as returning officers. Parrikar added that officers' attitude irritates him as they are sending him notices without any reason. In this connection, Parrikar submitted a memorandum to the Chief Electoral Officer.
We have seen that we are receiving notices from the Deputy Collector regarding very trivial matters which does not form violation of code. Anything we say, for example, a statement like on casino, I made a statement saying that if BJP is in power, when it comes to power, we will stop casinos. On that I got election notice for code violation.
Parrikar said, after speaking on casino and Vishnu Suryawag, he has to face these notices.
Then we said that Wag is a government servant because he is a media advisor. Therefore, he should not speak for Congress. We got notice. That means that Venancio Furtado Marto, he doesn't read what is there. He doesn't understand what is violation. They have that press cutting system where they go through every news and they should decide it properly whether the news forms a code violation or not. Cutting will be there, na? So he should be filtering it. He doesn't seem to be filtering. He is sending everything as a notice to us.
Parrikar was accompanied by Govind Parvatkar, Dr. Wilfred Miskita, Subhas Sarkar, Siddhanath Buyao and others. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli and Sachin Amdoskar.
Congress MP Shantaram Naik came down heavily on Manohar Parrikar and Lal Krishna Advani. He raised issues like attack on Parliament and termed BJP as a communal party. But Parrikar said that Shantaram Naik is not worth an entity for him to comment.
Let NDA, Advani and others explain. It is during their regime that there was an attack on Parliament. These people did not do anything. उस वक्त तो हाथ में चूड़ियां पहनी थी उन्होंने। लाल किले पर अटैक हुआ, what did they do? So who is weak Prime Minister and who was weak Prime Minister?
Shantaram Naik expected gratitude from opposition for introducing Right to Information Act in Goa.
Many irregularities in the government has also been exposed under Right to Information Act. It doesn't matter. Mr. Parrikar has been making good use of it. Welcome. He says so. I will only request him one day, once at least say that this is a weapon given to us by Congress government.
Naik also termed BJP as a state disaster.
If going by the actions of BJP, I will prefer that BJP should be declared as a state disaster. And its policies and programs are harmful in the interest of democracy. In fact, I have said in past also, it's only technically a political party registered in the Election Commission's office. Otherwise, it doesn't deserve to be a political party.
Opposition leader was contacted to comment on the state disaster statement made by Shantaram Naik.
एवढे म्हाका कृपा करून शांताराम नायकाचे विचारू नका ज्यांचे इनफॅक्ट यू डोंट आस्क मी क्वेश्चन्स अबाउट पीपल हू आर 95%, 92%. Let us be very clear in talking. You cannot talk about people who are not 100% perfect in these matters. Let us not comment on it.
Our reporter from Panji, Yashwant Parab, Devidas Kamli and Sachin Amdoskar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. After the break, we will see how UGDP claims the credit of getting the Dhirio legalized and illegal hill cutting at Pilin.